All right, I'm going to give you my thoughts of this drone, this small drone. I've tried several drones in this price point. They all have kind of the same weight, same feel, same functionality. They fold their wings the same way. Like a lot of these are a lot alike. But what sets these apart in terms of how they're different, oftentimes is the controller and also the camera. So let me talk about both of these things real quick. I like this style of controller because it's simple to put your phone in, really easy to control. It's very familiar if you've used drones before. The controls are just where you'd expect them to be. You have controls for video and taking pictures. I tried using the 360 flip. I couldn't get it to work, but that's not uncommon for me. I can rarely get these things to work. It also has ability to change the orientation of the camera, whether straight forward or facing down or up. You can also do a one-button takeoff, and you also have, of course, the power button to turn the controller itself on. The controller will charge up via USB-C, and that is right there on the controller. Each of the batteries for the drones also charge up via USB-C. You have a battery right here in the back, and your USB-C there is on that spot right there. So it does come with 2 batteries, which is nice, although the batteries don't last very long, only about 5 to 10 minutes, and that's under really ideal conditions, not a lot of wind and not using video. That being said, of all the drones in this price point that I've flown, this is probably my favorite. And I say that for 2 reasons. One, it's really a lot easier to control than a lot of the drones that I've flown in this price point. Oftentimes they very easily want to fly away on you, or the tilt on them gets messed up a little bit and they start tilting one way or another, or don't maintain their elevation, all these kinds of things. Now, I wouldn't say that this is completely void of any of that, but it was a lot easier to control it and keep it under control. As far as the camera goes, this has got to be, in this price point, the best camera that I've used, and that's including ones that claim to be 4K. This one is so much better. A lot of times the footage is just completely unusable and you can't really even see what's going on at all. This one actually you can tell, and I was impressed. I was genuinely impressed with how good the video quality was on this camera. Like, you could, whenever I was flying it close to me, you can tell it was me. Whenever I was flying it up above, you can tell what's going on. It's not incredibly jerky. The image was fairly sharp. So yeah, I would say in terms of those 2 things alone, in this price point, this is probably one of the better ones that you can buy. Flies good, takes pretty decent video with it. So yeah, for those reasons, if you're looking for a drone and don't want to spend a fortune on it, you might want to give this one a try.